This is the Daily Forex News Report for the 9th of July 2013. Asian markets are generally higher today, but gains are limited by China's inflation data. CPI rose more than expected by 2.7% year-on-year in June, compared to consensus of 2.5% year-on-year. And that's quite a sharp acceleration from May's 2.1% year-on-year. The figure is still staying below the government's target of 3.5%, but there are concerns that the acceleration is starting to limit scope for further policy easing. Meanwhile, PPI stayed negative at minus 2.7% year-on-year, suggesting that the economy is still struggling with overcapacity and weak demand. And still, there are concerns over the drive to reform credit to restructure the economy. Fitch noted in its sovereign review and outlook that recent talk of Fed's tapering and the uncertain exit path of the Fed will generate periodic bouts of market volatility, and it noted the emerging markets, including bonds, currencies and equities, were hit disproportionately hard. While Fitch doesn't expect widespread credit distress, there will be concerns over slowing growth, China's financial stability, softer commodity prices, and a series of political shocks in some emerging markets. Fitch doesn't expect a rate hike from the Fed before mid-2015, but the prospect of tightening will increase risk facing weaker emerging markets. In the Eurozone, European Central Bank President Draghi told the European Parliament in Brussels that the exit from the accommodative monetary stance is distant, and he reiterated the forward guidance that the Governing Council will keep rates at current or lower levels for an extended period of time. Meanwhile, he noted that the central bank will see what the market reaction has been, is, and will be to this statement. On the data front, UK-British Retail Consortium Sales Monitor rose 1.4% year-on-year in June. Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors house price balance improved to 21 in June. National Australia Bank business confidence improved to 0 in June. UK data will be the main focus today, with industrial and manufacturing production, as well as National Institute of Economic and Social Research GDP estimate being released, while Switzerland will release retail sales and Canada will release housing starts. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.